Meaning of judicial review.
Judicial review.
Judicial review.
Judicial review.
Judicial review. Judicial review refers to the process by which courts examine the actions of the legislative, executive, and administrative branches of government to ensure that they are consistent with constitutional principles and other legal standards. In other words, judicial review is the power of a court to invalidate laws, regulations, and other government actions that are found to be unconstitutional or otherwise unlawful. This power is an important aspect of the system of checks and balances in many democracies, as it helps to ensure that no branch of government exceeds its constitutional authority.